So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and click the bell icon and like the video. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn cropped image into video like this.
Closely, I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Before continuing, if you are interested in art, then you can subscribe my art channel. I will leave this link in description. So let's begin the video. Search images in Google and screenshot like this and go to crop option in default editor and crop the image and record all this in screen recorder. Record till the end and save it, then open KineMaster. Click on create new, select 9:16, click on next, then go to images, select black background and extend it. Then go to layers, click on media, then import the recorded clip. Now crop the unwanted part from the clip, then zoom and make it fit to screen. Now trim off the extra part from the clip, it should start from the cropping part. Then play the video and stop at the point where the video must play. Now click on black background, go to trim option, click on last option. It will freeze the moment, which works as background for video. Now delete the extra parts from the timeline. Now extend the freezed clip to some length for the video. Click on layers, go to media, now import the video, which you want to be played. Now click on full screen for better vision. Then scroll down, click on opacity and decrease to 50%. Now align the video with the background for proper play. After aligning, click done and then go to cropping and crop the video according to the background. Click on done, then increase the opacity to 100%. Then come back and trim the extra part. After trimming, add music. You can add any music, depends on you or the clip. And yeah, that's it with the tutorial. If you like the video, subscribe for sure. Thank you.